Hi Gemini, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies that are in front of me. I have a reading which is quite understandable through the tarot cards. What's coming to you, I will be telling you very in the course of this reading. I have clarified your cards and I have also got some oracle cards to understand what exactly is happening in your life in the next 10 days. So, from 20th of December to the end of the month, what's coming in? So, the Gemini in this time period will be influenced by the Emperor energy and the Queen of Wands energy. So, this could be a fire sign around you, could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, someone who is very dominating, or in this time period someone is coming in your life or an opportunity is coming in your life of embracing something new with boldness, and you like structure and you are sticking to structure and routine, but sometimes the new, the forbidden and difficult things or very attractive things come in front of you. So that is the kind of influence which is coming in your life, and you have to embrace this opportunity or this person. You have to take a very bold step towards them. So this is something which is kind of swirling around you in this time period, trying to influence your decisions. So with the 9 of cups arriving for you, I can say that whatever is coming towards you is something which you always wanted. So this could be a new love situation for you, new opportunity situation for you, and this could be like dream coming true or a wish fulfillment of some sort. But with the 4 of swords and 8 of swords, you are, however, gripped in some kind of misguidance, fear, or some kind of self doubt energy. So, angels are asking you to take a break from the situation. Try to, recharge your energies, retreat from the whole situation, and figure out what you want to do, because this has come as a surprise to you and an awakening has taken place. So, there is some fear around you, or you are feeling discouraged from within, though it is your mental energy, and but the tower situation has already happened. So this could be feelings of sexuality towards someone. This could be a great shake up in your life, or some kind of displacement which has created issues of fear in your life or self doubt. But with the Queen of Swords energy, very soon you will be able to reason it out, and you will be able to have strict boundaries with someone to understand your situation, and you will be moving towards a 7 of Wands attitude. This is having a kind of boundary around you, trying to defend yourself, trying to be on the higher ground, exercising your control over the situation to remain above something. So there could be a very dominating person around you. So you have to figure out what you want to do in this time period. So with in terms of love, it is telling you that pay attention to the red flags. So the signs are cautioning you in this time period. So there could be some deception, or you had faced deception in the past. So someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship. So there could be a possibility of two relationship, or you have gone through a situation of deception, or a situation it seems deceptive. That's why you are a bit you are not trusting this in this time period. So you are right in that. So best is to remain best is to have a boundary in this situation. So with the Judgment card, you will very soon get over this 8 of Swords energy, and you will try to figure out realistically what is being what is being put in front of you in terms of energy of someone else. So you can feel anxious and happy at the same time. But with the ace of wands and ace of swords in this time period, you are going to see a new path, a new feeling of passion, enthusiasm, innovative mindset, and a attraction to the new. So there will be this energy coming to you. The past is over for you. So there is a past with the Queen of Cups energy. This is, an energy of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, which is over at this time. Or someone is changing around you. There is a transformation in acceptance energy. So it could be someone else or you. You are, releasing yourself from accepting things or accepting situation, always saying yes in situations, or always being kind or warm in situations. So you are changing as a person. Maybe you have to look at something which you have been accepting for a long time, and that's why you are in a situation of block. With the Two of Swords, there is some kind of stalemate between you and someone else. So it could be a fire sign, it could be a water sign. So fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So you are in the mode of not giving up easily, but with the Two of Wands, angels are asking you to expand. With the King of Wands, you need to release and move forward. You have to take control of your own life in this time period and move towards your passion, so that you are in a leadership position or you are in control. So with Eight of Pentacles, what I am seeing as outcome is that you are ready to embrace the new. You are ready to rework on something. You are making an effort to, in your economy or in your personal life, to change a situation by making efforts step by step. You could be also moving away from issues or sticky situations or of negativity, and you are getting a passage or right to safe passage. So that's why the Nine of Cups was figuring. So there is a chance of new situations, there is a chance of new love. However, you are not yet trusting it. You are, however, let me tell you, moving away from disastrous situation, but it is a leap of faith for you at this time to move forward with passion. But with the Magician energy and the Page of Pentacles energy, you will definitely manifest something new, a situation of enhancement which has promise for you. So you will be working hard, whether it is your personal or professional situation in this time period, to redraw your internal geography or your external geography in this time period. So there could be a mean male who could be a bit deceptive. This person is wearing a false mask in this time period, or a female energy wearing a false mask. You could be the main male. Unexpected income or unexpected developments could be coming to you. A mature woman could be around you, or you could be the mature woman feeling stuck, or some kind of incarcerating energy or domination is around you, or you could be dominated by a mature woman in this time period who does not let you be free in this time. So a motherly energy, maybe aunt energy, or a big sister energy, or a spouse who is older than you, or a lover older than you, a female lover. So there will be discussions regarding family issues in this time period, or some kind of important decisions in your family. Courthouse energy is telling me that a message, a development which is legal or connected to the government is happening in this time period, or you could be visiting the government building, because there is the emperor card in this reading. So the emperor influence could be law and order, it could be power, it could be a boss, it could be a bossy energy, it could be structure and structure connected to long term situations in life. So judgment is required in every place. There is a possibility of getting a dream fructified in this time period with the magician energy who is manifesting, and it is your own energy of Mercury, which is direct in this time period. You are affected in this time period, Gemini, with Mercury and the moon, and the moon card has come to you after the full moon in Gemini. The moon is affecting you, so take note of intuitive messages. Use your intuition, practice discernment, and get through illusions and blockages. So lunar energies are surrounding your life, allowing you to understand what is standing in your way. Not everything is the way it seems. You have been guided to use your discernment. When the moon appears, intuitive or psychic urges are increased. So take note of any feeling arising at this time. There are messages from your soul and angels. The moon shines a light on all that has been kept in the dark. So ask yourself if you are avoiding anything or refusing to deal with something of importance. If so, it could be holding you in the shadows when your destiny is to be in the light. If this card appears when you feel someone isn't being completely real to you, that is someone wearing a fake mask or a false mask, know that their intention will be revealed to you. So the moon has no secrets, and she will reveal all. So this is what I have for you for the next 10 days. So pay attention to the red flags, and they could be connected to deception with a person. So you are not totally trusting someone. So there is a requirement to take time out and figure out what you want to do. So even if you are in love, even if you are feeling attraction towards this person, you have to practice a situation where you have to keep boundaries with this person. So this is what I have for you, Gemini. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties with their mother or father, or people who are going through difficulties in their marriage or their career situation with their bosses, you can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me through the email ID in the description box. So keep watching. I'll be posting new year readings and also January readings very soon. Bye bye.